adventure if you can. Welcome back to the story to chase some waterfalls in August 2023. Still here in Grand Basin at this primitive campsite, which is not that primitive. Picnic tables, grill, all completely free. Like, really great. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in just a little bit. Breakfast was made and delicious. Weather here is gorgeous. I mean, look at my watch, but I don't know if it'll tell me. I don't think it's going to tell me. But yeah, it's fantastic around here. So let's get camp shut down and head into Utah for a minute and then make our way into Idaho. Let's get this going. So I wanted to talk a little bit about this park, which is really cool in the camping situation. So pretty much there's two roads that go into the park. This is the road I took you last night up into the lake. So there is some camping around here with campgrounds and actual facilities. Those are cost camping. Most of them were first come first serve, but you did have to pay. Then you come down here to this road where all of these are primitive campsites. They are completely free, also first come first serve. And I'm pretty sure that I'm at this campsite right here, and that's, like we said, this view. So I just wanted to share that with you and recommend you go and check out Great Basin. So let's keep going. I think that was seriously right after got out of the national park. Got be able to throw the drone up and get all that great footage. All right, let's go into Utah. Very quick jump into Utah, or I just wanted to see that lake. I know it's right across the line. So back in Nevada and heading to Idaho. So let's see what's on the way. Just happened to like catch myself real good in the mirror and notice, man, I could really use a shave. So, hey, let's get this done and an awesome loves. Guess it's a good thing I just filled up then, huh? So if you used to send a letter, this is that, where that would have gone. Long, long, long time ago. Pony Express Trail. Very cool. So does rain count as mini waterfalls? So you know, maybe when it's raining, it's all part of the Chasing Waterfalls. All right, let's go see what's next. So about a year ago, I took the same road with my brother, and I dropped Adventure If You Can sticker on here. Let's see if we can find it. If it's still here. You guys see it? I don't see it. I don't know then. It was here. Welcome to Idaho. So now that I'm all like wet, looking, I finally just got back in the truck and looked at the photo I took of me putting it there, and something's covered up. I think it's like that cow sticker. But hey, it's there, I promise. All right, now that we're in Idaho and it's raining, let's keep going. Finally some blue sky ahead, right? Just in time for to get to Twin Falls. Twin Falls, Idaho is the destination where I'm going to try to ride my bike. So hopefully, let's see if I can, one, find a parking spot, and two, we're still not daylight. Hopefully there's about an hour plus. So let's see what we can do. I made it to the trailhead. There was a parking spot, but unfortunately it's like really because there's a big storm coming in. So I'm going to try to wait that storm out and still going to ride in. There's about an hour and 40 minutes before sunset. So it's here. Make it. It's rocking Clifford pretty good though. Check it out. Alright, it doesn't look like it's rocking from here, but it felt like it. Oh, look at this wind over here. All right, it looks like the storm stalled about 30 miles from here. So hopefully I'm gonna try to get a ride in real quick before it gets there in the hour I got before sunset. So let's go give it a try. Wow. Look at that. Not as epic as they were before. Sometimes all of that's open. All right, let's take a look. This little waterfall also. I don't even know what that one's called. And then over there, that's Shoshaw Falls, I think, in Twin Falls, Idaho. All right. Okay, so we made it to the falls. It's about 5 miles from Clifford. Not too bad a ride on that new bike. I like that a lot. It's a little heavier than the other one, but not too bad. It's very pretty here, but it's starting to rain some, so we need to make this real quick and get out of here. So let's get back. Clifford. Well, looks like that was timed just about perfect. All right, good sunset ride. Very glad the storm did not really hit. Got a little tiny couple raindrops, but whew, it's awesome here. That was a really good trail, the Rim Trail. All right, I'm gonna go find some shopping, need some water and a couple supplies, and then go find camp. Let's do it. Oh, it's that time for Walmart shopping. All right, what a day. Woke up in the Great Basin. That was just beautiful. Drove through those amazing mountains over and over again, and then that big storm with like all the good lightning, and then finally that really, really beautiful sunset bike ride, which I'm very happy about. On that bike ride, I saw across the river some camps. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll go camp there. So that's where I am. So tomorrow, when the light is up, I will definitely show you guys where this is. It's pretty cool. I'm very happy with this, at least where I think I am. But with that, I'm gonna get some sleep because it's been a long, long day. Catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. Good morning. Wow, it's a little bright out here. It's nice. It's really beautiful. Like it's 63 degrees. Man, that is very nice considering the hot desert. I'm gonna throw the drone up here in a second and show you guys where this is. It's on the top of a cliff. A little windy last night, but all right, I'm gonna show you what's going on here. Let's go. And that is where Clifford and I are parked. Pretty cool, huh? As you can see, I'm not that close to the edge because I didn't feel crazy last night in the dark. All right, after that, I'm pretty hungry, so let's make some breakfast. All right, camp is shut down. I'm standing over here next to on the scary edge. It's pretty tall. All right, let's drive out of here, go hit the gym, because you know, I believe in fitness, and then go to a very, very cool trail that I've been trying to go to for a long time. So hopefully we get there with some good light and it'll be awesome. Let's get going. So it's always a good idea that you torque your tires about 500 miles after you get them changed, because sometimes they can loosen. So let's do that. Well, all right. Some of those tires actually took quite a few turns, so I'm glad I did that. But now we're at the gym. Let's get this going on. Whew, that was a heck of a workout. I definitely earned a shower. Let's do that. Wow, very hot. Very hot. Well, all right, let's see if that's better. Oh yeah, much better. All right. Okay, so let's go, let's get dressed. That's always a good idea, probably. And head over to Walmart for the one thing that I forgot last night. You know, hand soap, because I was low and I just totally forgot. And then off to that awesome, awesome place that I'm looking forward to. So let's get to it. Soap achieved. Let's go have some more fun. So I just wanted to take a moment to talk about how to save fuel economy on long trips like this, especially in a big truck like Clifford. Often I'll try to find a semi that's going the speed that I want, and I'll just hang out behind them, because just drafting semis saves at least 2 miles per gallon. Just hanging out behind them, especially if they're going the speed you want. And that's very easy when you have adaptive cruise control. You just set it, hang out. Another thing is lower your speed. So if I'm driving 70 miles an hour, I get about 10 miles per gallon. If I drive 67 miles per hour, I get 12 miles per gallon. So just that 2 additional miles per gallon in a 30-gallon tank is, 60 miles. And then you add the 2 more by drafting a truck, and that's another 60 miles. So you go another 100+ miles just by going a little bit slower and driving differently. And not only is that cheaper, but also just gives you a lot more distance. So just thinking about that, so I want to share it. Let's keep going. All right, got some gas, got some lunch, back on the road, just outside Boise, Idaho, where they definitely have more than potatoes. Twin Falls, that was Idaho. The Alps of Idaho, or wherever that's called, that's north by Craters of the Moon. That's also in Idaho. So visit Idaho, it's great. But anyway, on the way to the destination I'm trying to get to today, which I will show you when we get there. Let's go. In the eternal search for, water and trash, what happens when you're a nomad? Mavericks usually have water. I just found this hose that was outside, so I went in and asked, and they're going to turn it on. So, yay, water top off before going in. Good times. That worked out pretty good. All right, cool. Full water on the way into a very remote location is always a plus. All right, let's keep going there. Wow, corn, and then 10 minutes later, all of this. Go Idaho! See a road down there that I need to want to find for sure. Need to want to. Is that English? I don't know. This is pretty great though. Wow. The storm we go. Gotta admit, like, the storm is making it even more exciting. I'm like, we're gonna get there, is there gonna be a big rainstorm? Will I not be able to put the drone up? Like, there's a lot of anticipation right now. Alright, let's get going. Okay, we made it. Let's see what, if it's as beautiful as I've anticipated. Ooh, I don't even know where to begin. I've taken some cool drone footage, I think, in my journeys, but wow, that was probably the best drone flying I've ever done. This place is fantastically awesome. Wow, I even saw cars, so you don't need something even as fancy as Clifford to get here. But this is great. All right, Leslie Clutch. Woohoo! Let's keep going. So, do you guys want to come to Leslie Clutch now? It's pretty awesome. There's even a lake. And I just found a campground, so that means that's where I'm staying tonight. And working from tomorrow. What a pretty good shot. Let's go. What a fantastic find this place is. And the camping is just clean. There's a vault toilet. There's a couple sites. I've been talking to some folks. I'll try to introduce you to them tomorrow. They're all around. But for now, I'm going to put this camera down and try to get some stars, hopefully over this behind me. That will be epic. So let's hope. And I'll catch you guys up in the morning. Good night. Well, good morning. Wasn't that star shot pretty good until the moon, you know, came in and said hello, but that was still like just a really, really cool shot. It's fantastic here. I highly, highly recommend driving down Leslie Clutch in Oregon to check this out, because it's probably one of the most beautiful places I've ever been. It's really, really pretty. The campground is great. There's some people, and I will definitely introduce you to them soon. But for right now, I got up, gonna jump in a quick work meeting because it's a work day, and then we'll keep going on this adventure. Let's go. Hey everybody. So as you know, we travel around, we meet people, and sometimes we get a chance to talk to them. So what's your name?
I'm Ryan.
So Ryan lives in his very cool camper full time. During the summer, he travels around and just adventures, and then in the winter, he actually goes and works and makes money. It's a good plan, right? So
I wish I could do it full time, but not everyone could be like you. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to be like you.
So what got you into this lifestyle?
So at first, it wasn't really a choice. I'm from Southern California, so rent is very expensive. So, growing up, my dad and we actually lived out of a motorhome.
Okay.
And so I was always very used to like the tiny lifestyle and everything like that. And he was always taking me camping, and I was just obsessed ever since I was a kid. So, when I was old enough, I got myself a truck, and that was pretty much the end of it. It was just downhill from there. I got a camper shell and just had a blast.
You've been addicted ever since, right?
Yeah, pretty much ever since I could drive.
So I ask other people this other thing. What do you prefer better, city or country living?
Oh, country.
Okay, why?
For starters, it's quieter. I'm a really light sleeper,
Okay.
so any little noise will wake me up. And also, I mean, this
Yeah,
is
right.
much better than
It's
looking at a bunch of
definitely
skyrises.
a better view than in the city, right? For sure. Yeah, it's
Definitely.
fantastic. This is probably the coolest place I've ever been. Like,
Yeah.
this is really, really good.
And it's free too. This is
I
free.
know.
We don't pay a thing. I mean,
Well, we pay their taxes.
Yeah, we pay our taxes.
But still, this is a very good use of our tax dollars, I think.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, great. I just wanted to say hello, meet you, and
Yeah,
say
it was
safe
nice meeting
travels.
you. Yeah, safe travels to you too. I'll follow your YouTube for sure.
Thanks. Oh, I got this entire beautiful campsite to myself now. Everybody packed up and left. You know, guess because they can't work anywhere. It's lovely here. I think I'm gonna throw the drone up and let's see what's around. It is pretty lovely here from above. Man, so with so much content in the last 2 days, I feel like I should close this story just so it's not 5 hours long. So I'll go ahead and close this story. Planning to hang out here probably one more night. So that'll be in the next episode, what I can get into both today and tomorrow. But until then, let's see what else is next. Talk to you guys next. Bye.